What we have done, it looks so yummy, so nice, so tasty. It is good to go at any time you want to snack. This is called Greek butter cookies. So let's get into it, but before then, please can you give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, turn off your notification bell, turn it on. God bless you. Let's get into this. So we have our butter, 250 grams of butter. We have 10 ml of milk. We have 2 orange zest, 10 ml of orange juice, 250 grams of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 10 grams of baking powder, and we have 750 grams of all-purpose flour. So let's get into it. So we're going to be starting with our butter and our conventional sugar. So let's get into it. So I've poured in my sugar and my butter, so I'm going in with my sugar. So I'm going to be beating it very low until everything is well combined. So now I'm going to be adding in my salt. So I'm adding in my salt. I'll continue beating it on very high speed. So this is ready. I'm scraping it off. And I'm going to do the rest with my hand. So I'm going to be adding in my dry ingredients first. I'll add in my baking powder and my orange zest. And I'm going to mix them together. So I'm going to be adding it into my butter. My dry ingredients goes into my butter mix. I'm just adding everything at a time. Adding in my vanilla, my orange, and I'm going to be adding in my milk. So I'm mixing everything together now. I don't want to overwork my dough. That's why I'm using my hand. Now you will have to mix it to get this consistency. So we are ready to roll. So for it to be equal, we need to do our measurement. Last one, so that they can cook evenly. That's why we're doing this, to get your measurements right so that they can bake evenly. So now we're just going to roll it out, roll out. So we're using, just roll out, and now it's time for you to braid. Okay, we're done braiding. So a tray. So this is it. Now we are going to be coating the top with our egg, brushing it with eggs, so that we have a good shining surface. So we are going to be baking it now for 10 minutes in 150 degrees. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're ready. I'm adding one more coat on it to give me my wow, our butter Greek cookies are ready. Wow. This is oosh, 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 oosh. Smells so amazing. It smells so amazing, so heavenly. Wow, 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 wow. It's ready. It's ready. Wow. Oof. So this is what we've got. This is the result. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you for staying with us till now. God bless you. Bye. Let's enjoy. Please do give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, turn on your notification. God bless you. For our new subscribers, we love you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for supporting us. Cheers. Kisses. God bless you. Bye.